Good morning, Namaskar, Jotana Khurungha. Dignitaries, distinguished participant of the National Women Parliament, wherein we have combined women cutting across religion, caste, culture, class, rural, urban background, and diverse fields like politics, social sector, education, sports, industry, media, cinema, arts, culture, judiciary, and my dear young and aspiring girl students. I would like to start the commending the government of Andhra Pradesh for this effort and thank you for the opportunity to speak this forum. I have come from Tripura. Tripura is the third largest state, a smallest state of the country, located in northeast part and is boundary on three sides by Bangladesh. 30% its population is tribal. The state has recently been connected by broad gauge connection, which however is yet to expand across the state. In its match to progress, this present government has given task to maintaining peace, providing education for all, and ensured employment generation to providing a distance living. For long, the state was a militancy affected state. Many lives were lost to militancy. Government connected to the hard task and insulated the insurgents. Tribal women played incurable to rule this progress over the last few decades. They assist mother, sister, and wives of this young insurgent. They were able to win their confidence and trust, and however their efforts result in their surrender. The government followed through on these promises of rehabilitation. Naturally, encouraging more surrender, the combination of much camping for unity of peace combined with the restored commitment of the government to doing all it can to both protect and improve people life have showing but surely managed the problem of insurgency to restore our Honorable Chief Minister Manik Sarkar announced the Enhanced Force Special Protect Act giving replace in the state because peace had been restored. Our dearest student, हम एक ही बात बोलता है, आपका कॉन्फिडेंट बढ़ाओ और आपका एबिलिटी डेवलप करो और आगे बढ़ो. इसके बाद हम ये नेशन बिल्डिंग के लिए काम कर सकता है. So, women out there, go and build our nation. Thank you all. Namaskar, Hambai.
मोदी साहब यहाँ पर एक गरीब कुटुंब से आते हुए भी इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री बने. इसका क्रेडिट किसको जाता है? तो डेमोक्रेसी को जिंदा रखने वाले कांग्रेस पार्टी को जाता है.